In the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most beneficent. Hello everyone, welcome to Mathematics Basic to Advanced level. In this lecture, I will discuss chapter number 4, quadratic equation exercise number 4.6, question number 7, part number 5. That is most relevant for paper's point of view. So let's start. 1 over alpha cube, 1 over beta cube. Since alpha beta are the roots of equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So sum of root, that is alpha plus beta, is equal to minus b divided by a, that is the equation number 1, and product of root alpha beta is equal to c divide a, that is equation number 2. Since the required equation is y square minus sy plus p is equal to 0, that is equation number 3, whose roots are 1 over alpha cube into 1 over beta cube. So s means sum is equal to alpha plus beta. So first term, that is 1 over alpha cube plus 1 over beta cube. So LCM of alpha cube and beta cube is equal to alpha cube beta cube. Form alpha cube plus beta cube, rearrange the term, that is alpha cube plus beta cube divided by alpha beta whole cube. So alpha cube plus beta cube is the formulas of alpha plus beta into alpha square minus alpha beta plus beta square divided by alpha beta whole cube. So adding and subtracting to alpha beta. So alpha square plus beta square plus 2 alpha beta minus alpha beta minus 2 alpha beta minus 3 alpha beta. So alpha plus beta into alpha square plus beta square plus 2 alpha beta is the formula of alpha plus beta whole square minus 3 alpha beta divided by alpha beta whole cube. So by putting the values of alpha plus beta and alpha beta, that is minus b over a into minus b over a whole square minus 3 into c divided by a whole divide c divide a whole cube. So minus b over a whole square is equal to b square over a square minus 3c whole divided by c cube divided by a cube. So a into LCM of a square and a is equal to a square. So b square minus 3ac divided by a square whole divided by c cube divided by a cube. So whole divide term can also be written in numerator form, that is a cube divided by c cube. So a cube cancel is equal to minus b into b square minus 3ac divided by c cube, and product of root is equal to 1 over alpha cube dot 1 over beta cube is equal to 1 over alpha beta whole cube. So alpha beta is equal to c over a whole cube. So whole denominator term can also be written in numerator form, that is a cube divided by c cube, putting the values of s and p in equation, and that is y square minus into minus b into b square minus 3ac divided by c cube into y plus a cube divided by c cube is equal to 0, multiplying c cube on both sides. So c cube y square minus multiply minus plus c cube y square plus b into b square minus 3ac into y plus a cube is equal to 0 is the required solution. If you like my lecture, then please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for latest update on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my YouTube lecture. Okay, Allah Hafiz.